my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How na dey my correct people? Yes, so I don't carry another story. Come give una for inside life.
Who went over listen to me. I wear my video. Listen, let me be sincere with you. I don't like to make one letter. Okay, let's be honest. When I started Destiny, no, marry Destiny Wedero. You want where Edward or Kareba, maybe they do the marriage, maybe one period of time they will be married. No, the tower of Maka or Korebania. I want to go on, which means who about No. Listen, me that show where. It's a lie. Damn you, prove it on. Where the Konica record where? Did you know if there's no data don't where? Listen, why not settle me? Why not settle me that way? Okay, listen. Let me be honest with you. Well, like even we general, I will you go and work Yako, Moku, work on Webiane, and no piano or Mevane. Mommy, who were bypass, or my friend who were oh, when I know about Weber, listen now. Okay, I went motor. I told him, we are going on. When mommy you went to want you wife to love it, maybe back to one in all day. No, it's a box. Told him what I know. Let me be honest to you guys. Why not the other first man? Although our own is central, it's clear for the world to know. I don't come out when equal and I'm the corner. Only I do I work back or Agbe. You understand now? What is Vienna? Listen to me. Were they happy? When I will work or whatever, they are never for 19 years. I want are you happy? Are you okay with it like that? When I hope not going anyway. What am I responsible? What am I no? I since my mother Pony, no take of those children. No, take business in the or control the study. In the motto, where the devil or control the study. You have to stand. You have to tell your husband where you take off here first.
No, he's so talking me. Or he's so family that for me.
No. My sister, Dario. Where I get out of who? No control. My sister, Dario. My sister, what will be problem? They can walk when I When we are with me, what will me over time? Oh, I mean, what problem was your master here? What me and what problem? Listen to me. My sister, my dear. isaga gba wa which means also I'm gonna put your pony for when I like one day because when we not together just statement now is clear
it make it say away
two years pikin oga me ya baba Buenare. This man,
Mommy JJ, my bag is on. I may was surprising where do you wear that from where my pure more.
Okay, one of my days.
No block. I don't guy in my time. Nana, we may be surprised to what my beer more door waiting in here. What do you have? Mommy
waiting in the mommy Jory or Bob, Mama Bama, Mama Kame. Here,
mommy, 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 I told you, listen, a moment on water there. Okay, can go yo. Let me be honest to you, and 1,000 people are watching. Okono Mawa, una da wake up, maybe I will only get over on one. Okono Mike, evidence of good woman. The one where tap 5 away, no make sure take care of Omoni Dova, you come Okoni, Mono Okonoma. where go piani ka wo mo ne we ke mari e just no wo we mi we tell your money we ma o ye we
ko ka be wani nu e se se be na to be ma wani no ta ku be wani nu e
okay wani le
o we de me we again na mo me wa mo mekere a absolutely no o ma mo Mommy, Jory, oga friend no mommy, wait to one
mommy la dia nu ya jase no to
we women no fit browse
I dey to cover my my don't do no why people are like this
again na beer
my sister. All of the year that
one day. I will not be no the bajela la gugwa first work of listen honestly first where guy can okay Guy, who were now Guy, what damn you know, who not time mommy. If I'm in a matter page now, honestly speaking, okay, because one of your bishop and Layane, of your double, of the Facebook, oh, your bishop, oh, Facebook, we are going bishop up for me. What bishop me? What's that one remain there? You know, go time away, me, my sister. The matter anything where earlier the better.
If you back and me time away, if you back and me time away, listen. Wa koko gbeko ni ekweku. E can agwa me matter na say agwa lo say I will stand by it honestly.
Oh no frustrate ya pe. Oh no eme mi ro ba gbeko until now. Oh you dey deviate.
That woman is 100% better than you. One your time. Listen to me.
Osawese, but when it when you me so better. When no better, when no so better.
I guess you we are taking responsibility. Those child.
Yes, as far what you boni me.
Mommy get mommy go your get mommy. Oh, what you man get mommy go.
What the comment is said in this person mommy move out do. Spiritual. Mommy wisdom. Say your request come. Mommy must know the truth. I don't can't judge. My judge my mommy judge when time I
judge not judge le le don't judge.
The woman will come up now.
You will never wrong. Assassin. Emi opa no mai. Ene na me solution.
The solution. What okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see.
No problem. Oh, do you me?
Yes,
no problem, continue.
Okay, with time, we shall see. A church of guys, why they place.
Okay, continue and place a picture, man. Continue a saga, man, no problem. I'm like, no doing it, we go see.
Bamutia.
Stop again, mommy. I don't bet to stop him. So I say, you very. Because in a time, when you say again, near the time, anywhere you are long, oh, Begume, Osman Snasha, will be husbands. Oh, they're not coming.
Mommy Jore, you want in 20 minutes. You have to hit point. One woman. About with him on the spiritual. No.
But again, oh, ya kuekwa. Awa iya ni lele boni shwa lele
because the northern magume gwa or what a lot na woman at the end of the day do settle anywhere when a romo our way do gwa vetero and when it are to mo kiel or we home rima we concrete me wa gonna worry away take a major wo wa na tebe we mate me you ko na no de na we ha kie no nya go ye ga to egbe nyana wa talo we away wo do ye we go no day Osas Victor, are you there? Do run the Tuguma do Lama. Hello. Osas Victor Gua.
Yeah. Maybe yeah, Wabota.
Abotara, maybe ya wa Jesse. Yeah, but then sister already Osas Nas or no gume.
Okay, Koyo. So Wabiba, so I just like even your program anyway. I welcome it, and because of this woman, you make Johnny or you may join this house. So we are here, Ohuna, Beno Yagon, Beno Sas Yagon, the other guy, I think he's saying the reality, but Ohuna.
Kamutiana no come we no no nya.
Hey, we bet your Ohuna because tomorrow we me.
Kamutiana no come we no nya so ne rame won la akoto kunpo yen.
From Victor, Osas Victor, that for me now. Okay, give me one. I told you one. When
for good 20 years, or my young you're so silly lot for making because we are Musasi. Good 20 years, or my young dog. Okay, men on me marry and if you are graduate today, yes, we're speaking with Anne. I graduates. I want to graduate.
Mutiane rame go sasi odun. Keno nya zore ne no ka to gwan na.
No nya zore no because we di Ghana, we di single mother.
Mutia keno nya ore ne a. Dore ne no gwa ye teni o gete ni no se.
We single mother. Wa gbelu we single mother.
Mutia mo mi cheche. Ezo aro be ya na mi oto e. Kami oto e mo mi cheche ne mi ya meke na enti. Kami oto e. Ala wo yen wo yo re ne wa gbe yo ye Stella ni o ga be yin na ki.
Mommy Jore, Osati, where TV handy, unless you got your woman, you wear it. Because I will make a no quality way. Because now we are going to be a peg, and I'm a big place in picture. Yamuja in the war. So, our Guadijani Guaria, and my soldier of your. Ma ya yotone. Yeah, they send them Osasnice no we get now because in your one way stay every night.
Mutia mama mutia.
A lady now, a woman. How can you
Mommy, Tiana, you are calling WhatsApp now. I'll gift now. Send a request. And your mommy wisdom spiritual.
Mommy wisdom, Mutia. No, they not do ta. Kaya men. Ore ne wa mutia.
Wa oponu wa pe kan me.
Wa me ni fere wa mi na. La oje. Ima oni oni se. Wa do tu re ba na so na yi ki ata.
Mommy mi awa be because e mi ni me wona ni a. Ati awa me alele me guyo. Ya awa be tuore. Ya pa ya yi mi ya. Because you tell me we dey go na.
Hello.
Hey, pa, itu wa ya fe o, come on mi jo.
Me wa na kin, me kediri e.
Mutia. Emi ya fe manyanyi gbeji mutia.
Anyanyi pe mommy wisdom ko wa so.
Anyanyi pe
mutia
je. Oh. Hello. Mommy wisdom e ya je.
Ike temi ata. Mame we na do bo ya mezo ge mame we ku. Gari oge mo iwo.
E boyfriend water memo, ima memo. E boyfriend water memo na.
No. E boyfriend
water memo.
E boyfriend we no.
Wetin mo gba yo me pe because we single
mommy spiritual mudia. Okona ni mommy spiritual e ga gbe na right been straight. O yi ga mi oba o. Ona e de kun me one flesh to flesh ni dia go do gba na mi o. Who want to zo na wa wezo no gbe setro. O ya wa wa. O di me na wo.
We no be better no that thing me ya.
O gele wa ko. O no fi to.
Mommy jeje mo na to ya mu wa.
na. Mommy Joe Gui. O sa si no
you calling me now.
Mommy JJ, it's okay. Mommy when mudia obey mommy la as far as say obey mommy no, just calm down. Let everybody say it little la wo je no gela. Hello,
Jebo.
Mommy Jennifer, mo ka be tane.
It's Jebo.
Mommy, if you need water, mommy JJ is a never you look at no with your program. No, darling, we come and put them, I never be going to disrespect of your woman. Because now we are killing you.
The woman not see a room, Devin, the brother, I have no sassina yamwefe. Oh, yeah, make one. Mama, when I set up,
okay. Koje Powese. But I'm your toy, but it be one now, be not Menegumena. Off with my yard baby, Nichesu. Minimata, but the nena, or Gunima, or Minima. My making about a chosanuta set yet the nomuna. Come on, no, Peso, Viva, or one and one more Luvilavi, or I measure Luvilavi. I will get a chosalopo at 2 immediate 2 1 bametu. I'll get so all of it. I will fear my keep by or not joke. I wouldn't so eto. So now, mommy wisdom, continue Wasunu. Mommy wisdom.
It damn
Wasunu. La your boy, let's go to 600. What the mineral may I may for what the mineral may.
Then already any water way near Toge.
Oh, etale benuka wataloni. Tomato salad, mommy JJ now. We're getting me a border from where
Yata now. What by making ye?
Oh, very well.
Oh, I know it better 40 years in a year.
Tell me now, what daughter? I got better go straight. I'm a question mommy no way. A question mommy no way because we time page me near to the apple corner. Uta whether no wa ya ro. Oh, and unami okuna wa
you're starting no 2003. So August Spain ni wa fian even again I had to because again you
Mommy wisdom mudia eti again. Mommy wisdom wa here judge when mommy JJ. You to talk away.
Any have to where mommy wisdom, okay?
Mommy
wisdom.
Okay.
Mommy Jore, you're not even no young, okay, then not the phone, me not the memory when
Mommy JJ.
God bless you. Mommy wisdom one.
Okay, then ya woman na mommy JJ.
Okay.
Oh, nika we liga awa. Ina mie erivi meka keve geseva nyana lele ari kuwera ewu. So here tika winye no. Eni betawe tame osa browser say ye betana. ina ihe ti ka winye no ina but ekeni na mio ni ekeni na on na hi. There was a big army o inere eyan 2 months ina amale lo vive igi amale lo vive eri ana we ni do gbe poni ari France ina we yeti ya so fa kekebe omomo na kere omoni na do avion mo we viva ana wo ke sise omoni vion mo we na do ya me UK ana do ya momo ni so yeste kime oma se ke because me na re e caditas e ke na tie commune comme e komu asino ore bogoroma hospital we bogoroma we ba niveau e Verona so yena stay cause you na tie Tony yan we Tony na kokwa guy e room ikugbe that e ke niya stage you na guy 2 rooms and a parlor yan we Tony na guy 1 room so yena ha mi me wo ke no sunu sise yan momo ni ne e de ga gbe yan ri go gunme yan vie mi ba e igume e sise mi ro pa gwe me be wo boy na wo ke na we problem mi ro igi ko e imamio na do tamo se me we hia gwa lo gari e ogwa ina we adeye train very oni that is here na stay ye Brescia me na re socials we Verona megi sevani ido ba osie ene no osie ni atie Tony na ni agba stage room we Brescia oni na degbode ona isunu je ni ovive ona gie evani na your boss push on you dere ki meke omo ena la wa ila ogwa woman na je this mommy JJ ona je night gown the man na je busters yana arwe bedi so yegi mi me la ni me ya la ogwa ni na mi mo bo ona munira me na total so yene imwe kpo no mure ona mu ariye duwo we happy o mu ariye ma o de betru mi no ona ya fie gwugwerie o change agwu na na ri agwa o wi na we mie okwo na mure ogwetinye ji
mommy JJ ga anu abi o we dati
mommy JJ no
okay
because I ga ni okwikui o ma megbe
okay
so awetinye jiku awetorino okere awetorino okere awetinye jiku awe ya na agbebi ku awe mamie kewie ona le liya adio wale ba se ba ni liya ze gbe ni ona neyen wia epa uyan wa pa marie e phone ba iniye awe ya na ha mewe nye mo ho awe na ha mewo mami na Gima wa o se keke.
Mami Jode la ya you la me no tana dem mata. O ta ko le ta ta.
Bume ko no to talk we. Ni ya tana.
Gwanyan.
So that they we go for we no we tie.
That we go isu we gbe na ile.
They we go ma we no we we. Eri o sa.
Mama we kilu we ara mi ono o no me
agba we tana. Dega inye nyo to bogi oni o ti to boy si oni juru re oni mai kan but inye me ya ma be me we di ma wa again ipo no ga asilo yen most of them so na so ni ae so aga ni me ga gwa kaba ugwe ni ogwe nye na iwo ke nya na do exchange no ba ona ile liya adi owa inye te oni ete we ni ete mi ego no lelere ni ere mi ya ase igo gwa o mai le ke ya we na we obeke we ya we me na ya na we tissue nu wa lo wo owo yen ma lo tissue ro pa yen mai ke yin ya te wu na
fe ni make na te be ni ya oda fun me na mi ate wa ya ni ya oda fun me na mi ata we no brief no brief ni make na talk
also we pe nu ti a
ye daddy ona we talk go me mi mo pa
ko mu ti agbon yan o ake e love them we tore gwanyan
mommy e love there o amo pa tore wo ona we judge for am money tore no carry you
so get kan ya
e face aro ira ya we
we na gita lo we no re ma no da we
we gwan
o cha da we comment section
because we daddy ona we take gbe balo
we gwan na we gwan
cause why we ke bias wo no na ma gwa lo So ore ni mega agwa kaba. Ugwe ni na wo ma so fa hia wi ogwa ni no ha ma no rie ke no kere ogwo ga rie ke no kere na wo ma. So ma we na ona do tie agosio ona do tie ma pa na tie James ya ga to go me ya ari unu kan e ma ni ga re ni awin aso ni ari unu kan ma na awin aso ona do tie James keke girlfriend de ige Sonia ona do tie Justice no give pastor wo Breshana ona kole Justice wo ha na we ade yana mu motore so uwe ni nika we mama jeje na se luggage ogeni here no muri ona si ayiwo wa eto ni na we hia mo luggage ni ge wototo na wa gwa igi ma gwa lo ige luggage ni eleke no ri yana do we eto ni na ona do mo luggage ni ge jesi na ji moto mwe ona mya na mwe gari ye jesi na mwe gari ogwa ona ya wie ke na James je ne degbe so edegi gbevo me na momo na re social media na ina tulemu ina momo ari school the Verona so me wa momo say school that is a crash or erinya ni atie ekizo erinya mani kana no teta ma no ma me moto ona we ne ekizo na calling or when you ade o we girl we no de owo ma pari Torino owo we gbere ire na we mata ba ni me na wa jo ni na koleri na we girl we no de o we ga ime again ni no do we gbere ina we for that reason why ever wa dia kene mede megi kere eriyan na gbe ona sile silukmo no ga re luggage ona sile ye ona silukmo ya fo na sile ya fe yi luggage ona gbepo ona lele e momi jeje gari Torino call him with no number call him direct
like video na wari like jo wala o
call him direct call him
1700 is watching my day say 1 point mana
call him with no number so when ogi o na do ahun mi ogi o na do ahun mi ina do tule mu ari a church that is a white garbage church ina do ya leruwe ya fe na gbe 1 week ruwe church igi so gware 2 days eri yana ime igeri ya call him wi ediowa ena wo diowa ena we apon sa wo sunu owe awiye wa gbanu ige tiye lese upin aje Torino keke ni ya fe luggage ire iru yen ya de na ena we mata we ena we won eke ni je social si no egu we stage ina ba kin na wi yen iyo we ni rie ma we na kokodo are that social si ba ni ina ari ele
the city of him
that is the Verona me gwa kana ina ari ele so mi apa yo ware ne ano gwa ni agwa lo piawo 3 bedroom flat no mi apa yo ware ne ya ga diogwa imi ke na call ewe a no ke kume mi a phone e ga tie busy so mi I know where o wan we gu ware line so we mana do ke ku ni me iwe dage social no bana ya do kene gine e mana awe mani ni introduce a business emwe ni yawo ige mani introduce my agosie colleague yen ni agba mwemwe kugbe ige ti amwemwe no ni oni na le ha ene ige we di number ori the call too much gbe me na iwe igi yo bi agi disturb eni anana ina do gbe phone number e phone number ni to cause na je eni o bi ame ya save the number ina do gbe phone number ni yo top igi gbon yo top igi call ina mi we a woman ano yewe no e ba ni na call a woman ina we lare o we gi le ni ya fe wo Italy o magi mi o bia no ma ka bia nu lele una we so ko bia no ka bia ne ge no mo hu won mo no Mommy Jeje we owa staro wa ma mu go jo wo owa mo bia ne keka owa mo bia ne ige o ma mu go jo wo na gbe iye wo ma mu go jo wo bia ne but ugwalo ya we ina we ni ji me ma wo we abiti ju we we na we na iwo we owa mi ma kan ye ge da dogo bioge ori yen redo ori yen enye de do bie ige gwavuo oba gogoji ena we mata awani mogo na yo bo ata be na wo bia na ye mata mu we espe mami e na egbe igi mami ma wo okoko adie Italy awinye we egbe wo kan ya wo na me egbe ena wo ke na problem mi ro ena tie a man ena tie eri we na we la rebe no ije na now we want choose up with my eva since me enegu wa boyo gbaye communicate with phone owe egi wu ige Mommy Jeje ge ozigo niye igo zigo niye gbene deke ni akesun ni ngana wa kote of radio e na we no ije na wa bu Mommy Jeje ne gbe meke na iyo home since we ma we choose up with my eva Mommy Jeje ma bienu gwe na me bienu gwe ni so and I went on ije na we ti gwi mi are di social asime na me kwiweju wa ni na re wele e na wa bu e na gele do we no pa na do pa ugwe ni age social na do ka ma me gwe ni pa wo wa ni ga aje because that commune house 6 months in area no ma se wo rude situation here no here obi mega aje ojian we wo ni gbese a year plus almost 2 years in wa ni erido ya ba ina do ya mo gwa be matova igi mo gwa be matova mo pa bi me bo bi me na stay ina mo wan room wo bo ye Ghana eto mia ni jere so ugwa ni agosio James Sonia agosio so na be do a ta we abe no vije na
Mommy Wisdom live with ni fian wa stop because Mommy e kru we dey na ba dey go no we attach we
because
point in the Mommy no where down yo a point in the Mommy no where listen down yo even the Mommy e mo burmire man we are having about 1.8 listen go atemi pakekan evangelism they are wise wise yeah point no running and we about to tie asakwe and the Mommy no where is that ukona wa we kata and 101 to the extent to call her yes it's okay Mommy pick the part no revane go koni be gwan mata no gele mi o gele call here and why have a larger one ever play asakwe don't need to next Mommy Jeje we gwan
Mommy yodo site we
Mommy Jeje egbe so do wa me pege o ga o mi o en
o go me no ko send me hiata
egbe so
Mommy waka
won we egbe so
o
mata
iga to oge yeme ni ata na mi no ko send maboku na iga tem oge ni ata na ni emi ogogo be dagbon me efe ni ma so lo gba we le gbe si eya go to eti o sa lo boy eti ni ka eti o sa lo boa Mommy Jore bi won da fun me ihon opon be trouser pa eyi ahun so me ma we to da ko ware bi hon so ebi ma ya gun ni wo ya gun me gun ni so yen na me ya ota ma me we ime wa ke church dey church oye be Torino odo we mi bi ma idekun ipe so ma idekun igbo na we ma wo se me wa bun na we yen wa ilaki me ya mana wa be ta ogo den so ugwe ni no ono to me ni rie no ba ne ina wo ke na do rie no ba me ne mi gwa me nyere pressure vegeni me gwetinye da ikogware nye da ke deportation vegeni me na wa ogo mo no be penebe webo ino enwe geni na mayati ode mayato igoro so even me na ido mana iga gun ma gun for 1 year Mommy Jore e no wa toast me 2 days o e na la o ma o toast me for more than 1 year makedo mi egbe va o again maka mi egbe first maya egbe ni one after 1 year makedo imi egbe so magi mi egbe ina no edete my girlfriend ya owe owunye me owe Spain ye ka aje so enye so sunu be genya na deport so nye kedo imi me so ebe ina okay we my girlfriend vitalo we o ni yare network why many ta stay okay so eri madoya egbe ina we dey to my girlfriend or we wetin ye dare na ina okay now my ya give you a try so eri my ya agun for that 1 year any o ma wa call it like that and obiano ko na agun kind of very nice man o salobo abeg so eri my ya agun so my agun na me do pa ni me na ati after 1 year me na ati church ina ati church ege ni iruwa gun image say a stage of salobo a strong when me work person image say stage na iruwa gun so ina do aye church opa we sele if do aye church ni so me na go that for me na do block him ogido ege ni boyfriend makin o na do block him so my do block na ko kwari church ni so ave mani vere church yen na gwiyan wa we oyin na wa we temo e ma me ya se gbe me ba ya ni re church ni ya wa e ma na veke ni nya na ta ma me gwe yi ogi ma ge kino na gbe to oda so yin dari e bi se to na sefi I dare no like that ina wa me no eri ogeleve ita ma me so iri ma ya isun eku o mana iga ku so o iga after a year plus so iri get to 2 years ukina do gbera me e ko pa ma ga je o e ma na ma pe me ge no ya pa ye ke Nigeria ge no ya pa ye ke Nigeria e kan ka ma we na so ukina do gbera me before ukike gbera me no wa engage me so we engage me ni men ona tama me gwi ya mare me very first day no wa ya me me o pe susu gwi ya mare me na Oma because if mama me no very dark me be keni no be mare me so ina we okwo na we ya mare me no we ya mare me na wo ma ya mo yo salo baba no ma say e can choose so meanwhile as that along the line eri ma ya igun ina try to know him he money do for into baby papa and baby mothers he money for into that category ina we ni wash when he wa be red flag ni wa we gbe ikan ijo I can't try to wash well. So me na do not tag guy. Ave manitama vie church. Where this man too nice oh, na good man, na quiet man. I can't try to ask question. They can't say new comfort. Yeah. Ogele da ilewebo idare no we can na igbetu ina okay. Eri me gele ya son relationship with a man now. So after a year plus, omana do tama me where a man na your friend dey go ba. Oye again ni yo ya mweke Spain re again ni eto ogwase the guy no ose oda for me na o ta ma me we egi friend the guy Spain ona say guy na but the guy we ya win na we ya do gbigbe agia me side parlement no we ya do win na bodo ni ina so me o ma gita mi mo si oda for me gita ma me na do ina go me na do call ina do no we Omagwe go pa to win na go ka friend it again owen we yeta ma me gwe yen me girlfriend but again na ex girlfriend yen ga no and again na yen ma be toast oye gbegbali yen ga me many girlfriends we Spain begani so again na me do ba ko obi yen oye gbegbali yen awon bi ya na ya gwatale emi ya ma we ina work as far we o hepe we no there Italy then no gbera ge Sardenya make the woman ye so na go ya also bodo ni me na we so me na dia iwo gi me kian be Torino ege ni o be kian re but mama o engage me but mama come together so eri ye ga kian yo kian re so me ma ye de to ga afraid again now me pressure after gi mo again na dene me ge na gi re ona hama ne o ma me o gi do ta mi me o ma me gi ta me we after again na that baby me we okwo na bie o okwo no mu ke Spain re o bie yan wore Caritas ina we me na do ne eri mana we o yan we okwo pa bie no o we di woman ta egwu yan yan ko but of course eriyan ona we ni e do tu yen eriyan na do love ye ke gbe this one bia ona wa ku ke many story I don't even no problem so forget ina mo usue o for that time ina wa get on said that time so me na wa be awo me kian na be to beg me ina wa be let go so then me ma egwe that period ni me ya le ni go goli we oko omata mi mewe oko biene so me na leli e goli gi me mewe mega ama begani me na leli e make a problem that is all that for me after our engagement for 1 year me na do ukina do gbera me and again ukiya gbera me again ye yata mewe oko biene me do no ona we matter no but ye ma edin yo ewe nya na but love ye ka bu ma love ke ogun ye love ye ke ni la gogo this one of nya me ina be let go where that period okwo na do call me ona gwa call me ogi tie me ogun ye mi phone ye mi no bi me that ye mi phone no bi me before that finye
mommy la agree mommy jeje ma fi me you no omo we go fi ayo no otani jore no na we no ko na we me gbon seba because do why we jo why man na eguma na do ba we odo ba we ba man na wupo e man na aka be chebo ibo do ba nye chebo yo ba we nye ga to rejo we do ba we wupo na je sleepy gang we na mi o na mu na we na la ugbo ma we na ya change ye na ti ma ni bu moto na re o enwe na bi suma ata to sa ba ko ba hin
wait me ekeni ma we na so gwa me ata na
mujana agui because we can we am na egwe we tana na e judge no we judge dey na e graduate man bu hima e judge no we judge dey na ekeni ma na get o ge we next that e no ba no e woman na ye we for we no ya call we agree na we call we on call we the same woman no be woman here dey okay why
o that's nice get one happy
to take any ma we no do agun when ge ma ye ma egun me ma enye I believe you go ma be he me o bega so ke ni ma ye na do agun e me ata na no ge kosa ni ma ye e ba ni me agun ajina so emi no kosa ni ya be no bia definitely obia mo so teve no ya be areru nu ma no be ata ma be ke no ri aje but iye obia na master ko okuro kporopo ma beri okwo dedemede ikebe ho eni according to me no come ma na be no tan na we matter no so be ma go na do call me ege ni me ha mane me go e phone me ringi o ringi be ge ni ege ni me pa ye tori no rene me igare tori no because in amane iya na tama me go because me be iya na we akan renew ne ike bie ne be me expire ni ari ekenati okomune be udine ina do ari evani ya na we renew ave be mani me be weti ya bie yen mo gwa no eba iya renew ebe we because of you we expect more even again me ya gberage evani bi me gberage evani community ya tie me gberage evani again okuna na do call me ona do o call me o ebe to me gwa le me no sunu o ye mi phone me be opia e boyfriend yin o ebe tama me me the next thing ya gwa pick the call hello nya welo ojodo enenemi ojo yen o do ne opia that insult o gwa po insult that o gwa be ekwa agu me gun ma na ekwa agu egbegun ima e mata no ro odomele gwi ma bia ne ye bi opa ne me bi opa ne ima e mata be ne mi ya ga aje between my wife egeni ya gwa pick insult all telling many things all threatening me maybe threatening ye eri ma ya irobi egbe yo ga call me every time and o be call me maybe do call the man iwe u bi ajegeni mere o wan ekeni udine me oda for me stay keme o etori no mana stay egbe me ken ama magi me yin ama ne komere 5 musike pa ya ari ke ebe me ken igu ike bari udine o community ni na renew ebe me ina ya stay kian ni make na renew me so da fi me na do ya stay cause yo pa na ti atoni we pressure ona do stay ke the boy o bega so ye no ye make ni we age we gani I make ni we age ni we koko we kian me we koko bo me kian so ye na robi me o be robi me no ba ni ya robi me stop le wa we see if we one day all stop ona work continuously and if na ni na hotel order for me we boy goro bi eme nye magun yan re nye magun yan mare be no omo ko na ya bie ni me jina ni me je be mo ko o me mare me be ni apart for engagement o eri me be ni so the no goro bi eme ba o bia no keke nu we gbe because ni me ka do
mom jeje down yo my area no time agui matter na woman understand the situation e matter na mambo kan we a gay player, master player, always central. In the ya play. A matter man can wear. Up your manipulate to a woman. Listen, agree. Where it can't have a platform, maybe we are or comment or money home. Where if time said where one of my judge my mommy jury say be ballon and man get taken no and the same time it isn't no package where don't I use any on miss ya cover up with two web because we're having we got amigo now you be the agent na amigo because on a man friend rock my wisdom when me ga go or say na package way Anthony for my the best of knowledge or there's no woman on earth no here or Donny or they are not purpose with here or whoever be na boy not take it likely never there's no woman on earth oh they are here married you might marry or they are still dating or na go be na boy or meva nene or move or biopa a year plus then or move no continue with that relationship or that marriage with that man. Something is there. There's something there. You understand? Because
after a year plus, the second baby. Ovi yeni or senior women. Ubega enyo mo bi otion bu give. Mo bi is going to 18. Mommy, 18 of next year. Mommy JJ. Mommy JJ. Mudia.
Effort to mommy JJ Dario.
Enki ma talking man. Ogi mama kianta. Understand?
Okay, maybe we no taba we 1 year or we may add young way.
You might wait 1 year, you wait a year plus.
Yeah, I don't need the stress anymore.
Mommy wisdom kwa.
Even however is that way before a mommy JJ could be here over here no honey. In highway a calm hallelujah no matter. So in our way to one more way.
My sister, even Yama, because I remember Panecuno, the
let me talk. My sister, I don't like LJ. Can you calm down? Can you calm down?
Go on.
The truth of the matter way, oh, okay, 2016, Biovive. On our Biovie, that is 2000. No, we had your money is 2 years plus. 2016 Biovive, on our Biovie, I think 2008. Our money miscarriage, almost 5 months. Ni miscarriage, almost 5 months. What I suppose? When imagine ya give me down, imagine money give me down.
What the matter the main fact no person
Mommy JJ
let's go to 700.
Oh, 2 years plus.
I like a video now.
2 years plus so we are doing we no ko. So nupo giver. Ona we use 1 year ya din o we nupo giver. So nye bieva bie o me vane o mai mugojo o me be bieva ma mugojo wo. So eni eta mi mege di ma e ga na hin. O winye oni bie ya ibi nupo gia o we ga nupo gia we. That is no even nupo giver can see me ye ya mugojo wo. So ona so if you no ga gwa kan you understand me in my back to it. because if we can do bien nupo giver or assure me we can and we nupo giver beer that was Italy make a difference a train station Verona or na Vigo Vaioto we have my way we my own
mommy wisdom man watch you man get a point man here only no camion a man no cast one date
oh that's nice
big man mudia wana wa ke tun date taluna mi because e mommy jeje we
relationship we iyan to bu we gun we ki e gun lawo ra me la o
ekene dado ge na mi oge
we ya bebe matter no we gi e gun yo ga re di matter we gi te lawo baba
explain my way the man na egbe early 2003 that 2003 ni ma egbe ni o evene nika we Uwa seni near the toze no do dame no
what toze cover anything give my area
okay so what should we
ya tore o mami yo re gbe pa because we no ko seni ma bo le
la akate mata na gbera na
akata le ya ne imemi na
ma wa ni we no re ba ni za
do wakata ne egenete ga ni ki now e ba ma mi
big man
e ba ma mi o sin your door
because e no re ba ni yen bien e di man e me bien ne o enwe o mo bi o mo pia ne wo dion but iye ti yen ima onupo no bien e di man iye ti ka wi yen onupo no ko so pia mana wu ne onupo no bien ne because we say na tell na we that the deportation rate 2003 o ka ma me go kun am ni yen Nigeria igi yen ri go get no ya mo money so for me yo o ta ma me we mo bi o mo dion ni e wo pia even a family ore ya we mo bi o mo dion e wo pia but e no reva ni that way me bien ne mommy je be bien ne o ma ke o pe mommy je no te ya ha we ni agunye ni ame o ige for ni kwene not wa mi ige for good 19 years ige ti me vie mole so we o ga we for 19 years ige ti me vie mole don na ni bio me nu po geva na because of me nu po geva is 14 years plus now and a man ni ma wo igi ya gun ase that was 2016 what that kegare what e gene we ni gunye ya mu we Swiss imajo mommy ima daughter me mommy jeje oni gi meta wo ina ka me
ide ni die nwan ye ba ide ni die nwan o mata mame wa ogugo me egun tete mete won mi no kin de to o e ma ba le ko na le yo ogugo me egun tete mete for more than 19 years yo me him gwa de so ye ma o se emu gwa
mana so so de
marriage na ma understand de to ro o se na tama we de to worry with peace with him we uro vi ogiane un ko so ma kan me no e ma understand we we ya me pe
e ma to ke ma mommy je
to ke ma mommy je mommy je went down the other
c'est
trauma wa kwa responsible mama no no bien no yeah, we know you survive, no. No, you apart from a matova, oh, mommy, we don't say calm down. Why muting? You want to have a muting? Why muting? Okay, imagine why you are doing. Oh, sassy. Oh, family one. He can't say I will go. Mama, me ya jinwina. Oh, sassy, ete na we ma say. Oh, man, give me. Isi wina ene ken oda for me.
There's so many things. No, we're my mom JJ. I won't wear down your own way. Hey, everyone were my own. We are grabbing him on JJ. I think I'm on fine. About clear who wear our love is 100% clear. Oh, man, we are loving it. All the eggy.
Yes.
It can do anything to protect that one. You understand the mom JJ? Where any man love. Oh, my love him, mom is a wisdom.
I love you, my love you. But
lele mo jeje o ma no te o kun no te le wa ko understand the man je wa ye continue wa do we mo jeje won dano we ma wo be ni o e bobo ya ko yo so ko ni ma di chance no abeg
amare me on ya gun aka na
listen to me listen to me
ya de I marry
mommy jeje is a free woman listen don't marry where damn your imani mado turn me go papa even the body inside understand mommy jeje again but to be honest when mommy jeje now mommy jeje all love so for now
that is not my business. That is what we are talking about here. Mommy Jeje, you will never see here.
Mommy wisdom.
Sir,
Mutia. My progress. I'm going to go to where money I don't talk. That way, my monohibo.
You get him a VM mole for 19 years. Police every time.
One rotative, demo me JJ Tower na TV not that for a time. I know. Edima or rotative. One no la wo. My bad mommy JJ tap and I walk over to where Quagui go over Yamu toy.
Yamu toy, yes.
Even we have a man, I will yes, soon beside me.
Okay, dear Quagui, one name mommy JJ. I got mommy JJ. Now we might near Yaro Yegbe. Yeah, they call him. That was yeah. That is what Alma. Take what that be. That was then. The moye gear. What that take what that be. In my vaga colleague Bima. I mean, that is how many years ago? A year now.
Mommy, why we not see it again? Oh, why calling me? You may not buy it.
Mommy, change your car, may not buy it.
I don't even know about way. You must say we one day. You must say we one day.
I will not.
Mudia, who met Togo Mana, who were calling me, who were Bob Bohemian. Women no
it's sort of nobody else. I'm also jail. Almost to come nobody here.
Brother, ya tell me na pa okona I understand them now. So on ege no ya tie meni omo tin o pa e cousin orera no ina do dekun ebe keni na ri ni ebe memeni o community o e boy ni e brother ni o semegwa no e best friend me no bi ma ga gun a ina ata megwe go mo no ege o ma ni bie na e so me get am no ina do gie egbe na gwa brother ni and e brother ni o sie okuona no brother ni na do gbo koto na do tale mi ya fefe no re family oke okwo na talo mame brother ni o ta mame we ni e dale no boko na igeri ogwaje igeri oro ya
so ne ga mi e mo oke
e mi no ta mama me tell because of Senegal no. Of Senegal.
You got tell me ya wasion ni ne.
Why for
come up here inviting you.
Mommy wisdom, mommy JJ. Why for me now?
Mommy JJ, man, on ten or the battery.
Because he had listen to me.
You was Senegal.
Because what's new? That's my first cousin, Ere Manana, who buys.
Hello, mommy. Mommy. Mommy, now when they buy you, you know, mommy, your family now, now, wow.
My West.
Wamutia. Mommy JJ, me I can't know what up. Mommy wisdom ya at you way. Because we go see where umae re obiana ora amoku. Mommy wisdom ya at you where za wa mobo. Even me ake no water now. What it you when na wo when na we opotie me o we no boy we ya.
You are big my 500. Again, no one I see me. Again, me amane. He may okay can even see me. Me might see a stress egg be make be or be me never again.
When
I don't know that for me. I know it. You don't know when your mama rock or where I for 10 years engaging. And you tell me making him or you tell me making your mama rock or your ma purpose or by your corner. And in a family of young matter, I never say, young matter. No. So engage again. Now where if you I cannot do that because I get hot cake.
Okay, then I'm not or bien here at all.
Me hamana make do or daffy me or mokono. If we can't see, we are mannequin, what the from Mokono. A period in another do at see me, you where here that beer, that's one
where I will wear or come up over here near no beer nanny. You got the bed continue.
Okay, we may be
man told him my wife, or told him my way, or told him my mommy wisdom. That's true, but you cannot deny where umai okuna because no we can't judge but look at him where we do at comment section. I even who are the comment? Who are them the matter? See, one time with me, the truth not where mommy JJ. No, we will not take that.
we on engagement for 1 year. I tell us we on engagement for amane.
What engage you wanna begani? What about my amane?
Okay, what about you? Mommy JJ got down with your cause of walking. You are standing there.
Mommy JJ, my way up, okay, done. Oh, we don't manipulate to wife, but let's be honest with ourselves.
Because a man, he tell me, Mommy JJ, where him were coming in. You get here while he love your Kirena Mweko.
I'm not here.
What him weko, Ijako trapping, fine. You understand me? 2003 year, man now. In a man 2005.
That is 3 years different.
Okay, 2003 now. That is 2 years plus anyway. 2
years.
Fine. Okay, what get mommy JJ vesunu? The mommy JJ via ama. Ima na matama me. Ige mommy JJ via ama niye. So, men, on va tirer, me, on a call him away. Oh, yeah, and I walk one never, I walk a quack here, be a biakwene. And I wear matter, and I will know what was ye. On a dog gear, or is a gear, now we are. A mommy JJ, Nahina, when we are gear. And I want now, my way, mommy JJ, no, I want it.
Then look, no piano, you ever do time away.
I'm not calling a waiter, my never.
Okay.
Ni mekana mavinye na rematova. E waru mini ya move matova owo wie.
Agadi we biene o.
Agadi biene. O ime almost 2 years in ni mekana.
Okay.
That is a year and 6 months, something like that, or 8 months. Oh, we very gage. So, when
when a chance in me do ya stay
allow me to talk.
Let chance ni me yare, ni me yare ni ebe, ni me yaro communita. E cha egani ebe ya we ya fi we me to
no, egani ya buwere. Can you allow me to talk? Gun allow wo. Iye wa we no baby mama me hin. I see me. Just I just want to clear myself. You understand me? So, egani ga agwan kan ba we. Ogweni ena or ina call na we gemi niyo ya wo mwa kono ko owenye o nya mamwe kono ko ropa ena we ena atawe fo ya we na we azobobe eke we na ya gbeto we aso wado ta ye ke so wani na re fo ina do call vision obi an audio ina we he o otun mwe kono ko wo ina we call owiera no ko no dio ina we tamae obi je no pia no jona we when e dia agbe no do mi so yegi so when na me we wa kian ri odo bi je no pia no jo ya lele we akian ewi no kian ta yo ni ya dan we ewi no kian ita we ba ni ona we problem ro ma kokko akian ma na do kokko akian ma ese ba ni asonga no o ti na gele do ti e we a we gbe we ni ana na we sunu we polygamous so mi we kere we ye na we build there. A polygamous so me where they say no ni ko eva be bie na ne a eva ni ona say you know in my buy because e really no because in mete tai we mi oparo ni hate ya ro yo ni hate ya buy okay but e no do ta ojo mu me so at a time o when you not amotion we e get the girl panye gwagne e panye love ye ke the next year we ama Out you na hamewea aju pa nekwe ekwomo owe di ge ye ma sho we yan pe ye nyane no mo gege ni na o obi awe opiawe no bi azo se no ga friend ige pati o lele kian we o tori no kiyen ke gago ge ye ma sho we yan nyamo yan nyako ogwe ni out you na habe ona gwe no ije na Again, where Kerio, or what be and your version weta, you to boy, the boy, or what be any hour DNA test. Out you and I know, okay, on the Benia, no woman, Benia, again, I'm a Bena, because again, I a teenager. Again, I'm a Benia. I want now, that ye Benia, a caditas. Out you and I walking, no carry, e biene. And there you be, man, I do a real dog, you know who. Obiera ni ma wo ya na do ma do ro do wa na gba na ni awa na obiera ni obia ruso ma no zewe ma we ma na TV state in that time. So ma ise ke no obiera ni je obiera ni na we do go ase ma short woman obiera no ho. Cause on me viera or me vije or me viera vije. So that is senior brother, senior sister there. Me go kana. Only na do go ase ma short woman. Oye na wo kebe no riri agie e no ka we ibiene o ma sin omo ni we ke no ti on no ko je o but I know what am ti on no ko ni we ye ma show wi yan yan o ti on no ko na ha mewe as far as we dey ya love ye ke ama nye ma gi oni oni ori menu ro o ga ibiene a accept e si se o tinye wi yan iri e no bi atamosa e no bi atame momi jeje e yen bi atami me igi yen ri momi jeje yen ve ni yan ye momi jeje ya iwu momi jeje wa ka ma woke ige yen tita ma no ya ma no yan we no we ni no mo momi jeje ya kipe ni no mo no ya gbe gbogari e kadita so oni na do igbera ma wo ikoko gba ro gwa we that na ge fori bresha we one room ni to bi mebe ya mu we nene fori bresha yan ke do gbebe yo mo bo yan we di awe mi yan mu we you understand me so at a time in my way ye we ro gwa ni ka we in fact who dey me na ro gwa no bie ne na ro e ma we mami jeje ga ikonfone so a man now the next thing I was so wagme so o wa ru gbe me le lori ame igbian ibe ya kole mami jeje ne you understand me gege ya ro vio igwe a ono na di mo kole ibe ka my wages mo kole ro vio we no se we a e ko se okay don wa bie to ma e so mami jeje a call me we meta mu we we call me a ro vi me gbe na gele gbe mo awari e ugbe so age nebo o eternity no nya wa gbe so no nya wa doc government opa wo ni no nya wa na to boy ti police so ugbe so age nebo ti police ne so ugbe me yen ga gbi me every time egbe mo mi jeje ni na ni ka we ni wa so do ni ai ni wa giagia ni we you understand so iye me awon o imenu pogeva nupogi ani ije me awon imenu pogeva ni ye we miscarriage no maro ba wo gbe me ye bi ano e ago si o di awe of money also akedo mi ewe o imina do awon imenu pogeva igi bi awon imenu pogeva ona ye continue gbe me ni na we no kise na meriku bogi ve gbe me fone no ya va wo variant wo ru da wo kan fi o me le mu do fo e na wi ri kun yan na mu ese we o wa gbe me ni na admit me for 3 days o ma we ga either were taking and that do time me senior brother original ya no do na we ge o atun we gbe me ve keke kone o tun na do gwegun awe was a manata mi e gwi be yanwa e na we Iyama, that is o even nupo give an anogu. That is o even nupo give an anogu ero.
Okay.
So that is your thing. So in I believe the words that were no when I know no be an enemy.
Nobody is fighting for the man on any man is that even the man that way the man we more fear more separating my man now ni what not separating my man now in my fear more
yes no
what are mutia what mutia not
mommy wisdom mutia mommy wisdom down your man we call J.
Okay, mama. Yeah.
Yeah, when I was having on J, have a begetia. Mommy wisdom work one for the mommy wisdom.
Mama, no mute me.
You're on water.
Na so ge eri ma o eni a na wa so ni a na close the chapter ni. You understand the
okay, mommy wisdom. Otara ni ano way. Mama no we judge. Question ni mommy jodi you know when am ya. Damio.
Nyeta we must see ni na do ami we.
Damio na we Damio.
Na do ami we ni ameke na we must see
boss here.
What no see. Ne we have been a man na day from monarchy 0 to this engineer general. A man I 50-year-old go, they always said he go, they always support him, Canada. One stop a man there to meet
okay, people give an any not your way, you can okay.
Look, give a look, not Dion. 4 years plus in not young age.
We market 4 years in it, but I can't tell him your mom telling me by
Yema tell him, Nika way. Oh, yeah, ida re socials. E socials ni ga ajeni. A year plus o ine year plus a year 2 months. A year 3 months. Social nya na kama mewe ni ba. Ina ya rete one room. One room ni me ya muni. Me na someone ni ya ozo because uki agba asigo gwa me no nya wasi igo. O ya gbeto me ke no na gbeto. Oke me mi go rie me to logo. Ego no mierie me ego na maybe we ni ya ogwe ni ya demi owo most of ugbeso yi leva because omari go me spaggy my ugbeso wo gba odo ba we go mo we o de ten ro mo we ya demi owo ni ya leva o makoko ari supermarket most of the time your bag gbogbo ma me we 2 euro 5 euro yen mi be ke yen na gbeto mega no wo ke mega mi ebe no ya we go wo boy o we go give mommy je no where we go but you me go no give mommy je maybe o deve ne 100 euro je no o we yen we e mommy je obia ni yen ne e tinya ari e just o we yen iwari ge ba igi
ete no my sister what of
you mommy wisdom. They also know he now where of your money also they not give away. They also know
anyway. So
I will say to what I can to the webo.
Mommy J, I will get away to what is in our way. Whatever what I want to know in here, I but away, Mommy J.
Whatever your phone, no, they were dear. Well,
I got seen our way. I said,
only better than mommy 20 years ago. We didn't get more forward to
so, that is 2010 because. Niwa hawe yo bi ma wa ko keneke no dion because 4 years plus oni ga ajeli mi mu enpa to e ko ve na re e ko ve se ukiane you understand me so at a time igi se ma e ko ve ki e bia ku e.
Thank you so much for watching Sweet Mother GCV. Please like, share my video, also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop new video, you will be first to watch. See you guys on my next one. Bye everyone.